Megan, holding the Customer Success Manager here at Weever, and today we're going to go over our FDA-approved signature field in Process Manager. The name and signature field in Process Manager allows you to quickly and easily collect the signatures you need to make sure your processes remain compliant. This field allows your users to add a password-protected digital signature that will lock the fields they are signing off on. Let's take a look at what it looks like to add a signature in a live process. So here I am in my form that requires a signature. To add a signature, find your name in the drop-down, then tap Sign Here and add your Process Manager password. Next, you will see the meaning of the signature and a record of what data is included in the sign-off. If you approve the meaning and the data, tap the Record Signature field. And as you can see, these fields are now locked. You may also have noticed that I did not need to log into Process Manager in order to add my signature. Since this field is password protected, your operators can hand you their device where they are logged into Process Manager, and you do not need to log out and back in again to sign off. If a field that is locked needs to be updated, just tap the locked icon and the Unlock Field button. Unlocking a field will unlock all of the previously locked fields, so the signature will have to be collected again. This prevents unauthorized changes to your data. Each time a signature is added or removed will be recorded in your activity history as well. Now, let me show you how I added the name and signature field to my form. From Form Builder, open the form that contains the data you want to be signed off on. Next, tap the Name and Signature field to add it to your form and update the label. Choose what the meaning of the signature is, then choose the fields the signature is addressing. You can choose all of the fields in your form or specific fields within your form. I'll choose all fields in this case. Then tap Continue, and I'm all set. And that's it for my quick overview of our FDA-compliant name and signature field. For more information, check out our knowledge base.